XP than you. Let me get my gun and you will see what is gonna happen. Probably gonna kill you as well. Probably gonna ki probably I'm gonna probably gonna I'm gonna kill you as well. Okay, now we have the big boys here now. It's the only one left. Why the fuck we're gonna have 3 recon in the team? Why? No, this is support is my thing. Support is my thing. No engineer opens crates. Special crates. I don't want it. I want bullets. I don't want crates. Because usually, last time I play with no engineer, I play engineer, my guns was empty. I had 20 bullets. What the fuck I'm gonna do with 20 bullets? And go with a knife. Ah, but Hoodies was there. No, Hoodies was there. And he died. And he was dead. Yeah, okay, for next question. Why the fuck you went in the place that it was 5 teams around? This is yes. Uh, be the last one dead. The point of the game is be the last one dead. Me? No. Nah, this is bullshit. We go again there. No. Oh my god. They're gonna send us. Oh my god, bro. No, this is not me, my friend. This... She's gonna be probably up here. It's gonna be the most boring game ever. Look here. This is disgusting. Because we came here. Why do I hear enemies already? Up here. Crazy. Oh my god. Oh. I'm going for the enemies.
On me, alright?
Yeah, and on me. I don't know why they're here. Somehow. One dead. 2 dead. 3 dead. One more dead. They're shooting on me. I have one more team on me. Can someone come and help me, please? One more dead. One more dead. Oh, fuck. I'm dying. I'm dying. No. I have... Who the fuck is this guy? I don't have nothing, bro. Yep. I think I have 6 kills. 7. I wiped 2 teams. Yeah. Oh my god! He crashed the helicopter on me. Did you saw him? What the fuck? His friend. Yeah, you were there, actually. Crazy. I wiped 2 teams, bro. Of course he's angry. Take my guns, take my guns. No, they don't have nothing else. It's shit. Their stuff is shit. Take this, take this, take this, take this. It's a contract. Not this. The yellow phone. Oh my god.
Square yourself
What
away.
happened, Anton?
You're headed back in.
Even on up on the. Yeah, yeah, of course, bro. I I came and I destroyed two teams.
Enemy helicopter.
Yeah. 7 kills. Motherfucker, the hell.
Headlock. Got a dangerous point.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Those samples don't
Yeah, I destroyed them. What do you
ran out
think?
of time.
Look at me. You stay with
He's
me.
coming for both of us. Nah, I'm dead again. I died. Bro, where is the team, bro? Like, number one. Did I hide? The redeployment is besides him.
Redeploy, idiot.
Oh my god.
Redeploy.
300 level my ass.
Redeploy.
Nope. I don't think so. Thank god the other guy's going, I think. You are actually down. You're okay. It's me that died 2 times from the helicopter. One time you die, you have second chance. You understand? The next time you die, they have to redeploy you. You can't just like come back like you came now. It goes quick though. It's both of them. I'm not annoying for anything. You went back there? Be careful. I hear something on your right? Or is my idea?
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
It's gonna be a good game, I think. Yeah, and me twice. Fucking idiots. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I can see him. I can see him. He's up there.
Check your missions.
Motherfucker, he's going again for me. I hate him. 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 I hate him.
Stay alert.
I fucking hate this guy. I can't believe it, bro. Yes. And I was behind the tree, bro. Oh my god, I hate this guy. And it's the same guy because it said 0-3 for him. Oh my god, bro. He's going for you. You're done. Oh, he missed you. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, yeah, me too. Don't go up there. Don't go up there. Take one. Take my gun. Take my gun. The blue one. It's the only. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Someone is sniping you. His friends. He's coming. Oh my god. I think he parked this shit. It's almost dead. You know he's gonna die. Can you redeploy me? Ah, no, you can't. It's here. And the custom weapon is down. Go with the guys, bro. Yeah, but this... You need to aim this. This is another helicopter. Or maybe you die. Yeah, I saw them as well. Okay, this guy is good. This is my gun. Yeah, this is my gun. I killed 12. I know. It usually jumps around, but not with this. In front of you. Nah, he's dead. He's dead. Yeah, it's two people in front of you. Wait, where is the other guy? If he doesn't... Okay, we have a chance. We have a chance. No, no, no. We have a chance.
I need a medic.
No. Yep, you see?
I got you!
I don't call this lucky, bro. Yeah, this is... No, but... Yeah, me too. But I have 7 kills as well. He's bringing us. He's bringing us. Ace? No. Yeah, no, he's knocked. He's knocked. Let's see what the other guy... But it's someone else on the other house. Look. Someone is shooting from this house. Yes, he didn't kill the other guy. He's behind him. Okay, good, good, good. One more. Good. No, squad wipe. Squad wiped. Can you tell them good job?
Good job.
Thank you. Don't change this gun. Or change it, actually. Now I pick it up. He left it. Oh my god, thank you, brother. I'm going... this is a gold one, actually. Take it. What can I do? It is. I'm telling you. I showed the video to David today. He say, bro, why don't move? I say, really? I don't know why don't move.
MG available over here!
Yeah, brother, I'm coming. He dropped it here. Thank you. Yeah, but you didn't got that one. They're shooting us. They're shooting us. I don't know from up there. Be careful. They're shooting us from somewhere. I see him. You got him? No, not knocked. Kill. Headshot. Good job. Good job, Anton. Who the fuck was this? What? I give you. Good job. Ahmad, you get 2 kills, yeah? 3. Nice. The team is behind us, come. Did you? Yeah, but this is because you don't... If this is the helicopter guy... I listen to helicopter, bro, and I'm scared. Me? Yes. He killed me 3 times.
Supply crates on the ground have the goods you need. Open them
Go on
and
this and
stock
I'm gonna give you the good gun.
Got a new mission for
Come on.
you. Details on your map.
It's enemies here. Where? Yes. But here is more people, just so you know.
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Oh. This is the custom weapon. You can take my gun. Because I have... Okay. Because I have the same gun but custom. Like, better.
Detected nearby. Do what you can to find it and
They're
figure what's
fighting,
going on.
come. But the only thing is I don't see with who they're fighting. Bro, is he just shooting around? I don't get it. Where the fuck? Yeah, but it's far, bro. Car. I think they're going for the custom weapon drop. They left. Fucking door, bro. Ah, I'm fucking idiot. I left the sniper for this gun. But I kind of need this now. Take it. It's good, really good. Yeah, I have.
Piling up. Keep taking it to them.
Where did you find the golden one? And they had gold ones. Yeah. I have red and blue, bro. It's a good one. I want a sniper. A little bit. Where? Ah, you have it. Oh, no, here is one. Ah, here's another golden. But my LMG is better. 8 zoom. I'm getting that. Where are all of you? Ah, you're going. Yeah, no, I was looking for this sniper. Ah, people. I see people.
Missions are done,
Fuck.
but stay alert until we're out of here.
Yeah, I have to ping them. Wait. I'm running as well. Yeah, I know. And it's coming also from down.
Make your way to that point.
It's... I killed him, don't worry.
I don't like little compass.
What does he have? Don't take it.
Ran the clock down, but it didn't work out. Let's get it on the next try.
Yeah, we kill him, we kill him. But he has friends, just so you know.
Wiped. The faster the better. Focus on headshots so things don't escalate.
Got eyes on enemy vehicle.
They're coming here.
That's it. Keep up the momentum. I'm out.
Who's dead? No way. Wait. Are they up or they kill? You kill him?
Don't stop now.
Okay. Yes. Fucking hell, bro. I think we're fucked. But I need to know from where they're shooting.
I got you. Come on.
Yes, but they're not. Yeah, I see him, I see him. You wanna play Rocket, baby? We play Rocket. Good. Knocked. One. I knocked him. Shoot them. I know. Wait. I know. I'm sending a bazooka. I hit him.
Dropping near your location.
He died. Bring them back. Leave it for me. shot them so many times. Don't worry. Yeah. Let's go. They're trying. Yeah, they're shooting me with bazookas, Anton. Good, good. No. No, no, no. Yeah, but not to their location.
Get up on that position. Intersect your areas of fire.
He's going on the stairs. Ah, fuck. I. Yeah, yeah. He just went up. Run. Run. I know. What thing? They're coming back, bro. They're coming to me. Yes, I think so. No, it's one more team. Wait, I'm shooting them, bro.
Only one team stands between you and victory.
Yeah, we
Take 'em
win
out.
this. We win this. Come up here. The thing is... no. I see him. No, it was not him. Fuck.
Looks suspicious. Watch your step.
It was not him. It was not him. Sorry. I am in the zone. I think they saw me. No, don't worry. I hear someone shooting, but where? Yes, good job, good job, bro. This was a good game. Yeah, yeah. You play really good, actually. 28 kills, bro. Pfft. We destroyed these people. Tell them good job. Tell them good job.
Fire. It's gonna be close.
Well fucking job, guys. Well fucking job.
What? It's usually well fucking done.
Well done, I mean.
That's how you get it.
Jag pratar inte för mycket svenska, du vet, det är inte så lätt här i Sverige.
Imagine they're all
Jag
Swedish.
kommer från Afghanistan.
No.
Half Afghanistan, half Greek. Like everyone else on the Greek side.
What you did, wait. 5 kills. Okay, good. Yeah. Good job. I am also happy with you. Ah. What do you mean? Look the kills.